Hello, I'm Jim Valacera, President and Founder of Successful Thinkers, and I have an extremely important message for you today. You know, I've been really thinking about what is Successful Thinkers and what does it mean to you, to your community, and to this country, and to other countries. And I was interviewed on a local cable television the other day by Jerry Lyons. It was called News and Views. And he asked me a really important question. And he said, Jim, he says, what would you ask Obama if you had 5 minutes with him? And I thought about that for a little while, and it hit me. And it hit me hard, because I realized what Successful Thinkers is doing is exactly the message I'm going to share with you right now. I would ask Obama to quit looking at the big boys, all the big corporations, and giving them stimulus packages that don't stimulate the economy, because the money that they give the big boys stays in their bank accounts. And we already know that. It's not doing anything for you and I. And I thought about that for a minute, and I says, what if Obama could do something with the small business owners like you and I that could stimulate this economy, where maybe perhaps they create a voucher or something like that for us or for the average everyday person that wants to go in and spend some money in a restaurant or in a business or some sort of establishment, or with a web designer or somebody that does business in their community. And I don't know that that's going to happen, but I started to really think about the message of Successful Thinkers. What is Successful Thinkers doing? And what they're doing is they're actually putting money in the local economy. Let me explain this, and I'm going to do this real briefly because this is so important. You understand the power of what we're doing right now in this nation. You see, as we go out into the local communities and we start to invite people that are online and we bring them to their local events called Successful Thinkers Meetups. And we begin to introduce them to other local people that they can share their business, their service, their product, their ideas with. That they can start creating revenues right there in their backyard, rather than try to find some source online that they could pay somebody else in another community that would accept that revenue, but not be helping their local community where they live. And the whole emphasis of what's going on right now is how can we help our local communities? And Successful Thinker says, we got a plan. We're doing it. And I'm going to ask you to really investigate what we are doing and start to help us, to help you. That'll help the local community, and ultimately over time it's going to help this nation. And here's the deal. The more of you that step up to the plate and become a Successful Thinkers and begin to help move this movement faster and bigger and better, and start communicating with people who are online and bring them home where you live, where you can converse and do business right there in your backyard, and you keep that money in your local community. I don't know if you know this, but when a dollar is spent, it's cycled, at least it was before what's going on in our economy right now, it was cycling approximately 7 times a year. But when the money is staying in bank accounts in the big corporations, when the stimulus package went to the big corporations, that money's not going anywhere. And when we're buying something online in another community that could offer the web designers that you could be paying somebody online to do work for you, they live in your backyard. You just need to find them. The SEO people, the people that can teach you how to brand, the different types of business people that a lot of us are going online to find, to help us, to help, to where we can buy their service or their product. We can find them in our backyard. And why wouldn't you want to help people that live where you live? You think about whenever there's a catastrophic event that happens, whether it's a flood, a tornado, some sort of a fire, an earthquake. What do? Human nature is to come together and work together and help each other out of this tough time. Well, we are in one of those catastrophic times right now in this economy. This is the worst economic times in 79 years, and it's time that we quit looking elsewhere for the answer and look in our backyard. We can do this thing together. Ladies and gentlemen, you need a product, you need a service, you need a business, and they're right here in your backyard. You need a printer, he lives in your community. You don't need to go online and get it, but there's nothing wrong with getting the right price either. So what I'm trying to tell you is wrap your arms around Successful Thinkers, find out what we're doing, participate, and the more of you that do this and build your local community, the faster we can take back America and put it back on track and put the money back where it belongs, which is in our backyard, ladies and gentlemen. I'm asking you to take the time and understand the power of what I just shared with you. Don't take this lightly. This is serious. Successful Thinkers is already in over 40 cities. It seems like every week we're growing 2 to 3 cities a week. This is crazy. Why? Because other people are getting it. They understand the power of what Successful Thinkers means to them personally. Now, when you understand what it means to you personally, it also means you're helping the local economy and you're helping this nation get back on its feet. Come join us. Become an ambassador. And worst case scenario, start participating. Thank you.